Hello and welcome to our BorrowBox app tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be looking at how to return and renew e-books and e-audiobooks. Before we begin, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. E-books and e-audiobooks will automatically be returned from the BorrowBox app once the title expires. However, a title can be returned at any time using the following procedure. From your My Loans page, select the Return option next to the title you wish to return. Select Confirm, and the title will be returned. E-books and e-audiobooks can be renewed at any time by using the following procedure. From your My Loans page, select the Renew option next to the title you wish to renew. Select Confirm, and the title will be renewed. A further 14 days will be added to the expiry date. Titles can be renewed twice. If you have any questions regarding the BorrowBox app, please contact your local Richmond Tweed Regional Library branch. There are many more features to this app, so have a look at our other available tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy reading.